In this video, I will show you how duplicate data in Salesforce can hurt nonprofit fundraising. Hey there, my name is David Giller, also known as the Salesforce Whisperer, and I've been working with Salesforce for years. In this video, I will discuss the importance of keeping your Salesforce data clean and how duplicates in Salesforce can hurt your fundraising efforts.
Welcome to the Brainiate Show, where we talk about all things Salesforce, sharing the coolest features, solutions, and best practices to turn you into a Salesforce rock star. Here's your host, former attorney turned Salesforce consultant and trainer, David Giller.
Are you a Salesforce admin working in the nonprofit world? If so, then you know how important it is to keep the data within Salesforce accurate and up to date. When dealing with donor records and fundraising opportunities, having clean data can make all the difference in your organization's success. Unfortunately, duplicates happen. We sometimes make mistakes when manually entering or bulk updating information. The good news is that if caught early enough, duplicate data can be reduced or even eliminated, saving your organization time and money and creating a better user experience for individual donors who could become engaged long-term supporters of your cause. In this episode, I will discuss some ways to spot potential data issues and what actions should be taken to reduce their impact on nonprofit fundraising efforts. First, what is duplicate data and why should nonprofits be concerned about it? Nonprofits need to pay close attention to the data that they are entering into their Salesforce database, as duplicate data can quickly become a problem and threaten the integrity of their information. Duplicate data occurs when two records have similar details, such as the same name or the same address. This can lead to confusion and unreliable results in reports, leading to wasted time trying to identify the factual discrepancies. To avoid this frustration, nonprofits should actively maintain their Salesforce database by consolidating duplicates when they arise and deleting the outdated information. Preventing duplicate entries remains necessary for nonprofits who depend on accurate reporting. It's only through diligent analysis of your own nonprofit's organizational data that any nonprofit can identify certain patterns and predict future trends precisely. So the question is, how does duplicate data affect fundraising efforts and donor relationships? Duplicate data in Salesforce can be detrimental to fundraising efforts and donor relationships. With inconsistent donor information and incomplete records of donation history, it becomes difficult for fundraisers to actually target their message and tailor their approaches to the right audiences. Merging duplicates also takes significant time away from team members that could have allocated their time and effort more efficiently. As a result, donors might become frustrated with the lack of personalization of communications, which will inevitably lead to decreased loyalty in return. Organizations must recognize how important it is to keep accurate records and avoid duplicates to make the most out of their fundraising efforts and strengthen the ties with donors. What can nonprofits do to prevent or mitigate the effects of the duplicate data on their fundraising campaigns and their operations? Well, nonprofits should develop an effective strategy to prevent and mitigate the effects of duplicate data in Salesforce. This should involve utilizing tools like Cloudingo to find and automatically delete duplicates as they come into your nonprofit's Salesforce database. This allows nonprofits to stop the bleeding and prevent new duplicates from entering their system. Additionally, nonprofits should leverage tools like Cloudingo to scan and clean the existing database, finding and automatically merging duplicate records so that the team does not have to waste any time manually sifting through dirty data to answer the most straightforward question while on the phone with a donor. These strategies are essential for any nonprofit that wants to ensure its operations run smoothly and its fundraising campaigns are successful. What should you do next if your nonprofit is drowning in duplicate data? For any nonprofit organization, having access to accurate and clean data is essential for delivering services that make a difference. But many nonprofits suffer from the issue of duplicate data in Salesforce, which can cause various problems from long term campaign tracking to donor management. Duplicate data can lead to inaccurate reporting, time consuming cleanup efforts, wasted marketing dollars, and more. And these are just a few of the issues. It's estimated that your nonprofit could be losing millions of dollars because of dirty Salesforce data. Cloudingo can help you clean up your Salesforce duplicates quickly and painlessly. If you want to learn more about how duplicates in Salesforce are robbing your nonprofit of desperately needed funds and how Cloudingo can help solve it, check out my blog post, How Duplicate Records Can Impact Your Nonprofit's Fundraising Efforts. I will provide the link in the description or the show notes of this episode. That's it for now. I'll see you next time.